What's the meaning of absorbable? Absorbable. 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 Absorbable is an adjective that means capable of being absorbed. In the context of medicine, absorbable refers to materials that can be broken down and absorbed by the body. Absorbable sutures are used in surgery to close wounds, and absorbable stents are used to treat heart disease. Absorbable materials are also used in some medications, such as oral insulin. Here are some examples of absorbable materials. Sutures made from collagen or catgut. Stents made from polytetrafluoroethylene, PTFE. Medications made from insulin or other proteins. Absorbable materials offer several advantages over non-absorbable materials. They are less likely to cause an inflammatory reaction, and they do not need to be removed after surgery. However, absorbable materials can also be more expensive than non-absorbable materials.